Hello everyone, welcome back to the Asuka method. Today, following on from my previous explanation of the Asuka method at home warming up series, I'd like to explain the aware and rooted bird exercises from the foundation series. The Asuka method uses original music created specifically for each exercise. I'd like to use this video to share the thoughts behind the exercises and the music, why I created them and how I hope they might be of use, as well as some little tips and key points that I wasn't able to teach fully in the exercise videos. So let's start with a whale. A whale's voice is so powerful that it can be heard hundreds of kilometers away, yet it also has such a relaxing effect that it is often described as healing music. In this music, you can listen to the sounds that express a whale's voice. I created the exercise with the aim of helping you maintain a solid, grounded body while still leaving room somewhere within to feel at ease. I will now go over a few key points for performing the exercise. First, let's stand with our feet turned slightly inwards. Then from this position, slowly bend your knees. As you do so, can you feel your lower stomach drawing in towards the center of your belly? Then straighten your knees by pulling that gathered center upwards. Let's try it again. Bend your knees, gather your stomach towards the center and pull it upwards. Bend your knees once more while keeping your stomach gathered, rotate and slide your heels forward. And then pull upwards from there. Let's try this a few more times. When drawing a circle during this exercise, aim to trace the circle with this center, rather than rotating the pelvis. Even if you feel a bit unsure of sensation at first, the day will soon come when it clicks and you think, so that's it. Once you can do this, it will be even more effective for correcting your pelvis and posture. Next, let's try extending your arms out to the sides. Don't push them out or extend them forcefully. Imagine that there's someone or something, a loved one or a favorite object that you want to touch. Do you feel your palms gradually warming up as you do this? This is a sensation of energy flowing through your body. When standing, rather than simply standing flat-footed, try to stand while imagining that the soles of your feet are stretching deep into the ground and that they are gradually warming up. You will see a significant improvement in the result if you can focus on rotating from your stomach and extending from the soles of your feet down into the earth. When raising your arms, as I mentioned in the previous video Indigo Tree, if you find it difficult, lift your armpits instead. The next exercise is rooted bird. The name of this exercise came from this movement. I began developing the Asuka method with the hope of helping each individuals to fly with their own wings in the direction they wish to go, whether flying high, over long distances, or occasionally flying low or short distances. There are many different ways to fly. However, in order to fly, And to keep flying, I believe we need a connection to the earth, just as a baby bird prepares by not flying immediately. Therefore, I hope this exercise will create a moment for you to feel the connection to the earth. Now let's move on to the key points of the exercise. First, while standing, recall the title Rooted Bird and try to stand with the image of roots growing from the soles of your feet while keeping your body free. Don't lock your knees, keep them slightly bent and relaxed. You may feel slight warmth developing in the soles of your feet. From here, we will move on the very first pelvic movement. Just like with a whale earlier, the movement begins from the center of your lower stomach. Let's turn your legs inwards again, bend your knees, then lift them upwards. Let's try moving your pelvis from the center of your stomach. Now, forget about your stomach for a moment and try moving your pelvis. Can you feel the difference? Even though it's the same movement, the feeling changes depending on your approach. Personally, I love experiences like this. How about you? And finally, the movement where you stretch your legs out. Aim for movement that's as smooth as possible, like water flowing smoothly down a wall. And let's do this in time with your breath. Then making full use of the joints in your toes, which we warmed up with Indigo Tree from the warming up series. Slide your foot outwards along the floor. If you're looking for a bit more of a challenge, try finding to the sensation of extending your legs from your center of your stomach. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd be delighted if you could try the exercises again using the points talked in this video as a guide. In the next video, I'd like to explain Lotus and Earth from the Foundation series. See you in the next video.